Are you a screw manufacturer, quality manager, or do you work in research and development with a wide range of screws? Working under time pressure and at the same time requiring a precise and reliable measurement needs a simple operating environment that nevertheless offers many measurement functions and enables individual test reports. The solution is our precise measurement device SM70X. The X stands for the variety of our devices tailored to your requirements. So now have a look at the short and simple measurement process. Step 1. Choose the predefined measurement program. Step 2. Let the program take your work off and enjoy watching the measurement process. Here you can see a comprehensive coverage of the screw's properties. The object is carefully detected from all sides by rotating around its own axis. Step 3. At the end you just have to review the report, which shows you clearly the tolerance range of the individual properties you have chosen. As you can see here, the database offers you many options. You can either select an existing material or create a new one. In the database you will find the data records you have already created for the screws with the respective properties. After you have selected a material, you can carry out a measurement depending on the measurement program created. Thanks to the clear display of the tolerances using 3 color gradations, you can clearly see in which tolerance range the measurement results for the respective property lies. A new measurement program can be created in just a few steps. Due to the already given properties, you can choose from a large number of measuring functions. The ECM devices are convincing with a user-friendly operation and nonetheless outstanding precise results, as well as a large range of functions.